If it's one thing that the Senegalese love, it's their tea time. I mean, they take it really serious. They drink about 3 to 4 cups of tea a day. So follow me as I learn how to make the Senegalese tea.
Mana kon boo nekkee ci kër yi maanaam dañu bëgg tamit dañ bëgg a xam.
So the process looks really simple, but it actually is a little bit difficult for me. So I know I need to practice, but with time, I know I'll get it. Thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you can stay up to date on the latest videos. Until next time, peace.